The sun rises over the peaceful fields of rural India. Birds chirp, farmers stretch, and standing beside a massive red tractor is the mighty Hulk, wearing sunglasses, a white dhoti, and full confidence. Lakshmi folds her arms. Today, no smashing, only driving. Dada Hulk sits on his charpai like a strict driving examiner. Hulk cracks his knuckles. Hulk drives small machine, easy. Lakshmi whispers, "It's not a tank, it's a tractor." Hulk gently turns the key. The tractor roars loudly. Hulk smiles proudly and presses the accelerator slightly too hard. The tractor jumps forward like a wild horse. Villagers scream. One scarecrow flies into the air. Hulk tries steering, but accidentally turns the wheel too sharply. The tractor spins in a perfect circle, creating a dust tornado. Lakshmi shouts, "Brake! Brake!" Hulk presses every pedal except the brake. Finally, Dada Hulk slowly walks forward and calmly switches off the engine. Silence. Dada Hulk. In our time, Hulk used bullocks. Hulk looks embarrassed. Hulk missed smashing. Lakshmi sighs. First lesson, strength is not speed. Later that afternoon, Lakshmi gives Hulk a steel bucket. New task, milk the buffalo. Hulk stares at the giant black buffalo, chewing calmly. Buffalo stares back. Hulk whispers, "Hulk not afraid." He sits beside the buffalo carefully. He gently pulls. Nothing. He pulls slightly harder. The buffalo turns its head slowly. Hulk gulps. From distance, "Be gentle." Hulk tries again, but forgets his strength. Splash. Instead of milk going into the bucket, it sprays everywhere like a water fountain, on Hulk's face, on Dada Hulk's glasses, and on Lakshmi's sari. Villagers burst into laughter. The buffalo suddenly kicks the bucket and runs away. Hulk sits covered in milk. Lakshmi walks slowly toward him. "Hulk, this is dairy farming, not a milk explosion." Dada Hulk wipes his glasses. "In my days, even buffalo respected Hulk." Hulk whispers sadly, "Even buffalo angry with Hulk." Lakshmi softens slightly. "Control, always control." And end of scene 2. Evening arrives. The village is glowing with lights. Drums play loudly. It's wedding time. Lakshmi adjusts Hulk's sherwani. "Behave properly." Hulk nods seriously. No smashing, no racing, no milk. The Baraat begins. Music blasts. People dance wildly. Hulk starts clapping gently. Then the DJ increases the volume. Something awakens inside Hulk. Hulk feels rhythm. He begins dancing carefully, but every step shakes the ground. Boom, boom, boom. The stage vibrates. The groom looks nervous. Hulk attempts a simple spin, but accidentally turns the wheel too sharply. The tractor spins in a perfect circle, creating a dust tornado. Lakshmi shouts, "Brake! Brake!" Hulk presses every pedal except the brake. Finally, Dada Hulk slowly walks forward and calmly switches off the engine. Silence. Dada Hulk. In our time, Hulk used bullocks. Hulk looks embarrassed. Hulk missed smashing. Lakshmi sighs. First lesson, strength is not speed. End of scene 3. Next morning, Hulk proudly says, "Today, Hulk calm, Hulk peaceful." Suddenly, a small chicken runs across the field. Hulk tries stepping aside gently, but accidentally sneezes loudly. The sneeze shockwave flips a small haystack. From distance, "Hulk!" Hulk freezes, looks at camera. Hulk need more practice. Screen slowly fades to black. Evening falls over the quiet village in India. The sky turns orange. Soft flute music plays. Hulk is sitting alone in the potato field looking at the sunset. A small bandage is on his finger from the buffalo incident. The tractor stands slightly tilted in the background. The wedding tent is half repaired. Lakshmi walks up quietly and sits beside him. For once, no scolding, just silence. Hulk speaks softly. Hulk fought aliens. Hulk saved world, but farming very hard. Lakshmi smiles slightly. Because this needs patience, not power. Dada Hulk appears behind them holding a lantern. Real strength is control. Hulk looks determined. Hulk learn. Hulk become best farmer. Suddenly, a loud horn sound echoes across the field. Everyone turns. A big delivery truck enters the village road. On the side it says, Advanced Automatic Smart Tractor, Imported Technology. Lakshmi looks excited. Dada Hulk looks suspicious. Hulk looks nervous. The truck stops dramatically. Driver steps out and says, Who is Farmer Hulk? Hulk slowly raises hand. The driver smiles mischievously. Sir, this machine drives itself. Hulk's eyes widen. Lakshmi smiles mischievously. Dada Hulk whispers, Now let's see. Wind blows dramatically. Camera zooms into Hulk's face. Screen slowly fades to black. Farmer Hulk will return. Pause, then glitch effect.